Mr. S. Haq,
I did.
counsel for petition. Press for another 3 weeks time to file the additional affidavit as directed by this court on 6/12/22.
Fine. Public.
Press a lot, list after summer vacation.
Public.
Look, I have received my instruction, my lord. I'd like to find an affidavit, my lord. Here the petitioner asked me was within 15 days he had to join the service. He didn't join it, my lord. And after 40 days, that his joining letter, this letter has been cancelled. Appointment letter has been cancelled.
Appointment letter was cancelled.
Cancelled, my lord.
Cancelled, my lord. After 40 days. He was rated to join within 15 days.
Letter was not submitted to me. That's why I couldn't know. That
It was
was the
a-
reason, my lord. It was given in the net only.
But it was in the news also.
2/11/2022.
Paper also it was given. You have
No,
to
name was
appear
not
and
there.
take
Only
the
number was there.
2/11/2022 order.
lordship. It was
2/11/2022.
lordship.
Huh?
Still lordship.
2/11/2022. That was cancelled after 40 days.
After 40 days. You have to join within 15 days. Public notice was given to appear before the function and get the appointment letter.
Hmm.
He didn't join the function.
Hmm.
Thereafter, after 40 days, it has been cancelled.
Then we'll issue notice and then you file
Then
your
I'll
affidavit. But Mr. D.B. Chalial and the senior counsel. Assisted by Mr.
M. Rana.
M.
M. Rana.
Rana.
M. Rana. Legal
Rana.
counsel for the petition. Stop. Issue notice. Who appears for respondent one, Education Department. MSB Das. Then standing counsel, school education appears for respondent number one. You are appearing for two.
This one not two.
Mr. S. Bora, then standing counsel SCRP appears for respondent number two. And personal department, MS Didi Barman. Then additional senior government appears for the respondent number two. Notice on respondent for comment. Stop. Mr. S. Bora, then standing counsel SCRP submits that he has received and prays for how much time?
3 weeks time.
3 weeks time to file contract.
In the meantime, my lord, by order of the 23-1, lordship directed that until that order the post will not be filled up. That may continue, my lord. Your lordship will find it in 23-1 order.
Is until further orders.
Man. Man. Yes, I'll stop.
Extra.
I'll stop. Copy.
3. The reliable portion at page number 10. Minutes.
10.
Yes, sir. Last paragraph.
Not yet
No.
considered.
Yes.
But the progress and council. Have you submitted copy?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, heard the progress and the council issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the sole responsible or the state for
Problem.
list of performance.
4. May please, your lordship. My lord, there is a non-payment of area salary, my lord. Your lordship may kindly see order dated 25/2024, my lord. The standing counsel education department took some time because there was some internal, my lord, documents were needed. And I don't know what instructions today they have.
Yes,
My lord, in this case, my director has already directed the DEO, my lord, to submit the required documents.
that is from before,
Yes, sir.
from before. 24/4/2024, same order. 25/2024, same order.
Whereas my lord,
Deals.
DO Dibrugarh has not furnished the same way.
Why is the DO sleeping?
At 2, my lord, I will take.
2 o'clock.
Five.
Lordship, so far as Lordship, the accountant generally is concerned, Lordship, we have released the money, Lordship. So for his grievance against the accountant general, that has been meted out, Lordship. That other part is the
Other
department.
part of the department is the main, the areas and GIS mallet. The petitioner is suffering from cancer and he has to take chemo after once in a week. And
Yes.
The proposal has already been submitted
Hmm?
for arrear, my lord.
No, accountant general has already released the money.
No, that
Not
is separate part, Lordship. That
Huh?
was lying with us along with the GPF. So
Oh.
we sought a clarification, what money is this? Because later the DI clarified that this is an area pay, 70,000. We have released along with interest, Lordship.
So this 86,000.
that is GPF
Yes.
amount, my lord.
His claim is more than that. The area salary is-
GPF amount I have got, my lord, that they have released now, and the GIS and the area salary.
You have got the amount? GPF?
Not,
you
it
have
is
got-
processed by the 20th. It will be done, my lord, within the 1 week or 2 weeks. It will be done.
Okay.
But regarding the GIS
Other
and
part-
the area salary, the elementary department has
Yes.
to process.
I submitted a proposal, my lord, for 2024 and 25 financial year.
When did you submit?
My lord, on 1st of June 2024.
First of,
June 2024.
you have submitted the proposal.
My lord,
Who submitted the proposal?
DI.
Give me a hard
My lord, I
copy.
have,
Give me a hard copy
my lord,
after some time.
Six.
May it pleases your lordship.
Mm.
Your lordship, for instruction, it is awaited, your lordship. Kindly grant us 2 weeks' time. Already, letter has been sent to the concerned department, your lordship, seeking instruction, your lordship.
Writ petition is withdrawn, interim order vacated.
Your lordship,
Petitioner made
your lordship,
representation.
short date may be given, your lordship. Already communication letter and petition copy has handed over, your lordship, seeking instruction, your lordship. Kindly, after vacation, your lordship, as soon as reopening.
Okay. But Mr. M. Sharma, then the counsel for the petition. MSB does, then it's standing
does.
counsel. He does, then the standing counsel, secondary education department. Place for 2 weeks time to enable her to receive instructions. Now, praise allowed. List after list on 17 July.
Deeply obliged.
7 and 8.
My lord may take up the item number 8 first, my lord.
Lordship, matter may be passed over for the time being, Lordship.
What?
My senior is in election.
Who's your senior?
I Suika, Lordship.
Hmm?
I Suika, Lordship.
You are appearing for
My lord, I'm appearing for the petitioner, my lord.
item 8,
Item 7, my lord.
item 7.
My lord, what has happened in this? My lord, the order of 20th, which has been challenged by both of us. My lord, the order clearly reflects that I should be reinstated as principal. Whereas while they have taken an order, and in the court's order, it has been reflected that the specification is not mentioned. Whereas it says the said reinstatement being without further specification as to whether she would be reinstated as principal in charge or against the substantial post of assistant professor. Whereas the order which is in challenge, it has been clearly stated at page number 21 of the writ petition, madam. Page number 95, annexure 24.
Page number
95 of item number 8, madam.
item 8.
Yes, madam.
Item 8, Psyche is appearing.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
So let him come.
my lord. Even in my case, I have challenged the same order.
Nine.
My lord, I was the headmaster of Morikolong ME School
Oh.
in the district of Noga. Lordship, may kindly see page 15. Moinul Haq, assistant teacher, Nibukali ME School,
Page
page 51-5.
1-5.
Yes.
Yes.
After 4 lines, Lordship, kindly see. Headmaster by the district level selection committee, Nogang is hereby promoted to the post of headmaster and posted as shown below against the vacant post of the school in the scale of so and so, so and so. So I was posted at Borikulung ME School on 30/11/2015
Hmm.
as the headmaster of Borikulung ME School. Thereafter, my lord, that school was amalgamated
Hmm.
with Borikulung High School. That lordship may kindly see page 16.
Where's your school?
Page 16,
Hmm.
after this reference, sir, the name of the school, Borikulung High School, name of the amalgamated school, Morikolong ME School, and 36 number Morikolong JB School. So, my
So
lord, this
you are posted to Morigalong ME School.
ME School, I was the headmaster.
Hmm.
So, school is amalgamated.
Hmm.
So, necessarily, my lord, by virtue of my post as the headmaster of ME School, I would be the headmaster of high school. I assistant headmaster of the high school.
Hmm.
But, my lord, the earlier headmaster has retired from service, and thereafter, my lord, and due to unknown reasons, my lord, I was not given the charge of insurance headmaster.
Where's the retirement order?
The retirement order is not there. I have mentioned here. Kindly see page 6, my lord. Page 20 and extra 6.
Yes.
This is the present in-charge headmaster who has taken over the charge illegally. Respectively, begs to submit that on 31/5/2024, Friday, the working headmaster, namely Sri Padmakanta Saikia, has retired from service. Therefore, on 26/5/24, a general meeting was held by some reputed public of the said localities, and by resolution number 7 of the said meeting, and also on the basis of seniority from 1/6/2024, I, Sri Deepak Saikia, have taken over charges as an in-charge headmaster. So, this is the impugned order. How the SMDC, which is the province,
How can this be the impugned order? This is just a communication by the concerned.
yes, my lord. But he has taken over the charge and authority is silent. So I brought the matter to the knowledge of the authority that this illegally he has taken over the charge. That those things, lordship may kindly see page 22.
Hmm.
I apprised the matter before the authority that these illegalities have been done. Now I should be appointed in charge headmaster. That is page 22, annexure 7.
1 minute.
There are some orders, page 24 and 25. These are my letters. I have annexed one similar order.
No, what is this page 22?
Page 22 is a similar order when the headmaster of that particular business,
This is a different school.
different school, but I have given for your lordship kind perusal that in that school headmaster retired, and thereafter the assistant headmaster, who was earlier the headmaster of ME school, she was given the charge of in-charge headmaster till a regular headmaster is appointed. So this is the one instance I have given. And this matter have been also communicated to authority that lordship may kindly see page 23 and 24.
Hmm. Yes.
But authority till today has done nothing.
So I am before your lordship, but now, my lord, there is no government order. It is a provincial school. How the SMDC can take proposal, how a person can take the charge of in-charge headmaster on the basis of the proceeding of a SMDC. So my submission is this, Annexure 6, through which the private respondent has taken the charge of in-charge headmaster that by my state, and I should be allowed to take over the charge. IS may be directed. My prayer, lordship, may kindly see page 11, my interim prayer. Pending disposal of the lordship may kindly direct the Inspector of School Nagang to issue order appointing the petitioner as the in-charge headmaster.
Yes, who appears?
I'm appearing. Your lordship, in this matter, your lordship, partial instruction has been your lordship given, your lordship, not detailed one, your
What
lordship.
is the partial instruction?
Your lordship, half your lordship, not full your lordship, not detailed report, your lordship. So I pray for 1 week time, your lordship, to obtain detailed instruction, your lordship. Only half your lordship, that is not complete, your lordship. So I pray.
No, what is the incomplete instruction? Can you make out something out of that? Out of the,
The relevant instruction which we wanted your lordship to apprise the honorable court, your lordship, that has not been given, your lordship.
okay,
So your lordship, I may granted 1 week's time, your lordship, to obtain instruction. Your lordship.
1 week time will go up for the summer vacation.
That is on Friday, my lord. That my learned friend, because she has already received having instruction.
Heard M.A. Mahmood, learned counsel for the petition. On request made by MSB does, learned standing counsel,
Secondary.
secretary. This is the matter again on 28.
My lord.
Then
May I please, yes. The petitioner here is working in the Advocate General's office as a post of Horace, my lord. Lordship will turn to page number 21, my lord. He is working as a, he is getting salary of 9,000 rupees presently, my lord. If your lordship turns to page number 22, the regular for us salary is from 1200 to 52, my lord.
Which?
For 22, lordship.
Hmm.
CL number 53, my lord. The post for us, where the pay band is from 1200 to 52. Presently, the petitioner is getting 9,000 rupees, my lord. Now we are praying for that he is in
Serial number
53, lordship.
53. Yes.
1200 to 5200, my lord. 82,000, lordship.
Hmm.
Now, presently, the petitioner is getting 9,000 rupees. Man, I'm paying for the minimum wages of the, as per the open dash, my lord. At this stage, lordship will issue notice, man.
No, but you are seeking parity with this, this is of the High Court.
My lord, pair is, this is from the High Court. Pair is, lordship.
Device pay scale of
Device
employees of.
pay, my lord, the pair number 2, my lord.
Oh,
Casual employee, my lord. Pay scale around with the grade 4 employee, my lord, as per the open dash, my lord. Minimum wages.
no, Obendas, that's a different thing. But then you are seeking parity with this,
Oh, the lordship, at least
employees of
let,
the.
let the reply come, my lord. Let the reply come, my lord. What they speak to do, my lord.
How can you seek parity with the employees of the Guwahati High Court?
Let the reply come, my lord. At this stage, lordship will issue notice, my lord. Minimum, at least the minimum wages must be given, my lord, as per open dash. Now only 9,000 rupees per month he is getting.
Okay, what does Bora learn constitute? Issue notice. MS
I'm applying for FNO 1, 2, and 3, Lord.
DD Barman, and it's additional senior government. Appears for the respondents 1, 2, and 3. Finance, and MS RM Bora, then a standing council. Then a council appearing on behalf of Mr. H. Alia, then it's standing council, finance department, appears for respondent number 4. Notice and respondents are complete, however, extra copies. Respondents are on the file applicant. List of the 4 weeks.
Problem.
11.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, an advertisement was issued for the recruitment to the post of constable, my lord. Accordingly, petitioner has also applied for the said post. He called for the written examination and for the physical test, my lord. Upon qualified in the physical test and by the written examination, he has been given the provisional appointment, my lord, at page 89.
89.
89.
Yes.
This is the, my lord, subject, my lord, kindly peruse. Recruitment of constable GD in Central Industrial Security Force, provisional offer of appointment, my lord. That is to the Madan Secretary, that is the petitioner, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, in the next page, my lord, kindly peruse page 90, my lord. It is clause 15, my lord. You will be subjected to fresh medical examination at the time of reporting to RTC in the validity of period of 1 year from the date of fitness to joining service in over in terms of recruitment medical guidelines issued by the MHA wide UO dated 25/2015. In such situation, you will be allowed to join the post after being found fit in fresh medical examination. My lord, before that, my lord, kindly peruse page 88, my lord, for a moment, my lord. Page 88A, my lord, Annexure 4. On the basis of this medical report, my lord, I have been given the provisional appointment, my lord. Serial number 3, my lord. There is a tick mark A, my lord, fit. But thereafter, my lord, what happened? Page 96, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I have been, my appointment has been withdrawn, my lord. This is the impugn order, my lord. Why this is, my lord, withdrawn, my lord? Page 90, my lord. Kindly peruse, my lord, page 90, my lord.
H.
Page 92, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, as per the clause 15, my lord, thus I have, my lord, shown to the my lord lordship. Subsequently, they have again did the medical test, my lord, where they found a defective color vision, my lord.
Hmm.
Due to this, my lord, my provisional appointment has been withdrawn, my lord. Why this, my lord, page 95 order, my lord.
H.
95, my lord.
Oh.
Sorry, my lord, page 96, my lord. On the basis of that medical report, my lord, because of defective color vision, my lord, on the subsequent medical report, my provisional appointment has been withdrawn, my lord. My lord, same, my lord, department has taken the different view after 6 months, my lord, of the appointment. My first provisional appointment has been given on 28/8/2023, my lord. Then it was withdrawn on, my lord, 16/1/2024, my lord.
Yes.
That is my challenge for this honorable board, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, before that, my lord, kindly peruse page 101 for a moment, my lord. I have did the medical test, my lord, where one medical certificate has been issued, which says, my lord, my lord, page 101, Annexure 13, my lord. It says, my lord, certified that he is free from defective vision, likely to interfere with the efficiency of so-and-so, my lord. Not only this, my lord.
If notice go, my lord, we'll file our response in this matter. Because
Till then, my lord,
appointment has been withdrawn
one post may be kept
on
vacant, my lord.
16/1/2024 only. My lord.
My lord, there are several medical tests I have done before, my lord, after submitting this, my lord, medical report, my lord. All the medical reports says I am physically fit. There is no color, my lord, defective color vision, my lord.
Well, my oral instruction is, my lord, he has been subjected to medical examination by not only by CISF, where he is employed, my lord, even by the ITBP and BSF.
My lord,
So
same
after
department,
those medical examinations, my lord, His appointment was.
My lord, same department has taken the different view, my lord. That's why, my lord, I approached
That
it.
we'll see later.
Yes,
file
let-
the
yes, my lord.
applications.
Let notice.
Till then, my lord, one post, my lord, because provisionally he has been appointed
Ultimately,
by
my lord, if
the.
your lordship holds, my lord, that yes, my lord, that he has to be subjected to again a fresh medical examination.
My lord, that is, I am,
Automatically, my lord, he will
for
be
that, my lord,
reinstated.
I am ready for the fresh medical test, my lord. I am ready for
Anyway, don't
the,
fill up the post.
my lord, one, yes, my lord, I am ready for the
But
post.
says,
As has the recommended.
the council for the question. Issue notice. Mr. A.R. Adigari, Leonard,
MR later.
M,
MR
M.R. Adigari, Leonard,
for all the respondents.
CGC.
Seriously.
Enter appearance and accept notice on behalf of all the respondents. Notice and respondents are complete, however, extra copies you
My lord.
respondents are allowed to file counter after list of performance. Till the next reasonable date. One post of constable of the GD in the Central Industrial Security Forces shall be kept vacant.
I'm deeply
All
okay.
right.
5.
So,
And it will be placed on my lord financial year 2024 and 25, my lord.
Hmm.
Next session will be my lord on July, my lord.
so what is the stage of this proposal?
My lord,
You look at this.
my lord, already countersigned by the Treasury Officer Dibrugarh
That's
and
fine, that's fine, that we have seen it. The non-roll certificate,
my,
that also has been sent.
my,
But now it has been sent to the director.
my lord.
Now what is the stage in the directorate? She retired when
2019, my lord.
2019. Why taking so long?
My lord, earlier, my lord, it has been placed, my lord, because of non-available of fund, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. B. Purgaistal and a council for the petition. Stop. MSS Tutel and a standing council elementary education submits that the district elementary education officer by a communication dated 12/6/2024 and addressed to the Director of Elementary Education Assam has submitted the fresh area salary proposal in respect of the petitioner for the financial year 2024-2025 along with the non-roll certificate which has been duly countersigned by the treasury officer. Dibrugarh. Stop. She therefore prays for some more time to enable her to receive instructions with regard to the proposal in respect of the area salary of the petition.
Including the GIS, my lord.
Stop. Here there's no mention of GIS.
My lord, total amount is my lord,
GIS, my lord,
6,989, my lord.
Or-
Last page, my lord.
GIS proposal annexed to the writ petition, my lord, page number 18, my lord.
Stop. She prays for some time to take instructions with regard to the proposal of the area salary of the petitioner as well as the JS.
Yes.
My lord, GIS included here, my lord, because total amount is 6,47,952, my lord.
999.
That's why including the
My
GIS.
lord.
So, when do you want
After vacation, my lord.
this
And date after vacation.
the matter? Again on 22nd July.
Congratulations.
Apply.
7 and 8.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, first of all, I'd like to take to item number 8 first, madam.
Yeah.
My lord, what has happened?
Item 8 notice is already issued.
Yes, ma'am.
And my lord, I filed for stay vacating, my lord.
My lord, in both the cases, my lord, challenge is the same order.
Hmm.
I have filed one case, my lord. The item 8 is my case, and item 7 is filed by my friend.
My lord, may I just submit here, my lord? My lord, what has happened in, my lord may take item number 8 and at page 95, annexure 24. Even I have challenged the same order. I have challenged on the ground that no show cause notice or nor any rule prescribed in Rule 9 of the Assam Disciplinary Service
Page,
95, annexure 24.
yes.
My lord may see at bottom, my lord, after column 6. Whereas from the estimate of the project and audit report mentioned above, it is clear the science building was constructed and dismantled during her tenure as the principal in charge, and DDO and other irregularities pointed out in the inquiry report took place her tenure as principal and has attributed to her. Whereas she has been found guilty and so, whereas when given enough opportunity to her offer her written and oral representation against the allegation and inquiry report. Thereafter, in exercise of the power conferred on the undersigned by so, I hereby impose Dr. Kalpana Goswami, the charge officer, of penalty of withholding 2 increment with immediate effect. Further, she is hereby reinstated with immediate effect. Whereas regarding the recovery of excess remuneration paid to the teaching and non-teaching staff of the college after reinstatement as principal in charge. So even though there was imposition of penalty upon me, I was still reinstated as principal in charge. She would take necessary step to initiate recovery and accordingly submit a report to this office on the action taken by her. Moreover, college authorities will take steps for appointment of permanent principal after the model code of conduct, which is in force for the general election, so. The disciplinary proceeding is hereby disposed of. Now, in my writ petition, I have challenged this on the count that there was no show cause notice has been issued, no memo of charge was given to me, no inquiry report, nothing. However, they filed a writ petition before me, and they have stated in their writ petition that this point, that after the disciplinary proceedings being conducted, I was not reinstated as principal. But however, as per the order, I was again reinstated as principal. So my lord may now look at the IA that I have filed, my lord. IA 181111. This was passed ex parte, my lord.
IA
1811 of 2024.
yes.
My lord, at page 12, running page 12, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the respondent number 4, the time when the department proceedings were initiated against her, and prior to that she was placed under suspension, was functioning as principal in charge of the college in question. According to the Director of Higher Education Assam, while passing the order dated so, after imposition of said penalty, proceeded to reinstate in her with immediate effect. The state reinstatement being without further specification whether she would be reinstated as principal in charge or against the substantial post of assistant professor. A claim may arise from the respondent number 4, requiring the college authority to reinstate her as the principal in charge of the college. Accordingly, the present proceeding has been instituted by the college authorities. In view of the above, it is provided the reinstatement of the respondent number 4 in her service, in terms of the speaking of the daughter passed by the director, shall also be made against the substantial post of the assistant professor in the concerned department, and the respondent's number shall not be reinstated principal of the college in question. So, my lord, the learned single judge here have miss out the essential part where in the speaking order, I have been placed under principal in charge.
Let us see the order again.
Yes, my lord.
You have not annexed that order here.
My lord, I have annexed it in my writ petition. And my lord, in this I have an IA, my lord. In the IA stay vacating and they are already annexed in the writ petition. In that only I have filed my IA stay vacating. My lord, it's their writ petition, my lord. 1941. I filed stay vacating in that only, man. My lord, at bottom. Whereas regarding the recovery of excess remuneration paid to the teaching and nursing staff of the college after reinstatement as principal in charge. Her reinstatement has already been confirmed by the departmental proceedings, my lord. She would take necessary step to initiate recovery and accordingly submit a report on the action taken by her. Moreover, college authority will take steps of appointing a permanent principal in the college after the model code of conduct, which is in force for the general election 2024 is lifted. The disciplinary proceeding is hereby disposed of. So, my lord, this observation and this point that what my learned friend has here taken, that my reinstatement was never there in the order. My reinstatement was there. They have taken two, they have invoked the punishment of me of taking 2 increment with cumulative effect. But they have still reinstate me as principal in charge. So as per this order, I should still be the principal in charge. So, my lord, that is why I need the modification of this order and the vacating of this order, my lord.
Yes, Kalita, who is Kalita? M. Kalita, respondent number 4, opposite party number 4.
The governing body, my lord.
You are supposed to file your objections.
Yes, my lord.
Have you filed?
I have not filed.
Why?
I'll file sometime maybe granted.
You were given 10 days time to file your application.
Yes, my lord. My lord, what happened, my lord, in this case, if the interim order is vacated, then entire writ petition will become infractuous. Because the challenge is.
No, that is a different thing.
Yes, yes.
That will consider later on.
Right.
But then what about your
I'll
objection?
file, my lord. Also make
When are you filing?
one more opportunity will also be.
My lord, may I just submit here? My lord, the Supreme Court has very recently has passed a judgment, and my lord is aware of it, my lord, that 226(3), whenever there is an ex parte judgment, whenever the appearance is there, the learned friend has to submit a time within the stipulated period. He has not done that. And it's an ex parte order. And my lord may see the order. It has been more than 15 days now, my lord, from the way the 10 days time has been given.
1 week, 1 week.
1 week, the vacation will start. I will be again in the loophole. He's been holding the charge of principal without any authority.
But he has been reinstated. He has been, my lord, punished with, my lord, for the charge
That
of
is a
misappropriation
different,
of the
thing.
fund.
She has been punished with 2,
My lord.
withholding 2 increments.
Charge with,
With
my lord,
cumulative effect.
misappropriation of the police fund.
But the petitioner has been the further paragraph down below.
Yes, yes.
So the reinstatement as principal in charge.
That is why I have challenged that, my lord. The governing body has challenged that order, man. Only because of that. Has she been reinstated as, my lord, the assistant professor, governing body would have not come. My lord.
But this was not brought to the notice of the coordinate bench.
No, it was. The order was before the honorable court, my lord. The order challenge here in, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, may I just submit the before my lord may see the order in which.
That case, my lord, filed by my friend, my lord, that in that case also, my notice may be issued. My lord, I am not aware about the facts of the case, my lord. That
My lord,
I
may
will
the
appear for the governing body in that case also.
Yes.
I may just submit here. My lord, the entire order of the learned single judge where is only on the fact that the said reinstatement being without the further specification whether she would be reinstated as principal in charge and nothing on the other point, my lord. So, my lord may at least reinstate me as principal again as
Let him file his objections, after that we'll consider.
Yes. And in the
My lord-
meantime, my lord, the government has also, my
And
lord,
what about the writ petition? Notice has gone or not?
My lord, in my writ petition, my lord may see, my lord, absolutely illegality, my lord. There has been no show cause notice has been issued, no inquiry, no charge sheet, nothing. And so, my lord, if this, no show cause, nothing.
1 minute.
notice has not been issued.
And I have prayed for stay, my lord. That is why the learned single judge had clubbed both the matters together. And it is them only they have to appear. So issuance of notice does not even have an effect on it. My lord, may see the parties.
Without filing I cannot appear in the case, my lord.
Notice will have to go
Yes, my lord. My lord may issue notice, my lord, but I will be protected in this.
in the item 7. Mr. S.P. Sharma.
My lord.
Issue notice. Higher education. Mr. D. Ubamanya, let's start with higher education, reference for the respondents, 1, 2, and 3. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on respondent number 4 by registered proceeding within 1 week from today. Can you appear? No. You can appear.
Let the notice go, my lord. I have no instruction.
Stop. Release the matter, 17 July.
My lord, I may be protected, my lord, because there is.
My lord, consequential order has been passed. My lord, at page
In the IA, you right? But Mr. S.P. Sharma and the council could have. Mr. Iron Cycle and council got a responsible. Praise for weeks time to enable him to file objections to the present I. Stop. Praise allowed as a last chance.
my
Release the matter on 17th.
obliged.
Much obliged, my lord. My lord, I may be allowed to take dusty upon the governing body, my lord.
Governing body,
I may be allowed to take dusty.
the item number 7, you also put. Additionally, petitioner is directed, is permitted to post service of notice under respond number 4 by justice service to the registry of this court within a period of 1 week from today.
My lord, and one more observation, my interim order may be considered next.
Thereafter, the petitioner shall file an affidavit to that effect. Stop. Prayer for interim shall be considered on the next meeting.
Much obliged.
In IA 1941, you say list this matter on 17th.
Most obliged.
Item 12, admission, part admission.
Not because of my preoccupation in the election tomorrow, I am praying for a little accommodation today.
What election?
Actually, I have to give my reply and
No, what election is there tomorrow?
bar election.
Oh, okay. You are contesting?
Yes, as president.
Oh, good.
So, my lord, on the 16th, we are agreeing on 18th
18th of July.
July.
On
And my lord, they will produce the original records.
My lord, original records were produced twice. They were all here. My
No,
esteemed
no,
colleague knows.
actually, my lord, we didn't have the occasion to go through it. So we'll have a
You
look.
keep the records with you.
Let him be kept.
And my lord, photostat copies are with your lordship along with the official seal. It is there with your
No,
lordship.
my lord, the original would be more convenient.
Keep the original.
All right, I'll keep it.
On request made by Mr. K.N. Chowdhury and senior counsel for the petition. Is the matter on? When do you want?
18th, my lord, is a Thursday.
Just on 18th of July. Mr. B.K. Dewadar, senior counsel appearing for the respondent shall retain the original records.
Deep privilege.
13, part 1.
Lordship, the matter may be passed over for the time being. Mr. D. Nath, he is on legs in court number 7.
My lord, in that case, my lord, can it be taken up after the vacation, my lord? I have also gone through, I have some documents I have received on as per the lordship last queries. If it is taken up immediate after 28th of July, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, this matter, my lord, is pending long time, my lord.
Let
He-
him,
my
let,
lord,
let him get file his,
That was today is also, my lord, his submission, what he will get it. If we this, my lord,
I'll give you a last chance.
Lordship, lord.
because my lord, that was in the earlier occasion also, my lord, that why Pattern released from Pattern. That is the cause, my lord. He's delaying only, my lord, he's submitting which is not relevant.
On request made by Mr. T. Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioner, list the matter when?
Any date after 28th, my lord. Any date, lord. Subject to your lordship convenience.
July, no?
July.
23rd.
23rd, lord.
July.
23rd.
It is made clear that there shall be no adjournment on the next.
Lord. Obliged, lord.
Obliged.
16.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, may kindly peruse the order dated 14/5/2024.
Yes,
That affidavit has not.
secondary education. U Sharma was allowed 3 weeks time to file contract. Where's U Sharma?
Lordship, may kindly.
Yesterday you mentioned U Sharma is in
Yes,
Disciplinary.
yes, some, I didn't. Lordship, kindly can come more time, Lordship. I'll take it.
But Mr. M. Ahmed, learning council, on request made on behalf of U Sharma, learning standing on secondary education. 2 weeks for the time is allowed to file contract debit, list after the.
17.
May I please, your lordship? This matter regarding pension and my lord, not to recover for overstay in service, my lord. In this matter, my lord, they submitted one affidavit in earlier round of writ petition. Where, my lord, there was no whisper regarding recovery of, my lord, the salary for overstay period. Therefore, petitioner withdrew the writ petition, but I have annexed this affidavit in this petition also, where, my lord, they themselves admitted that as per their record, I mean, my lord, service book, petitioner's date of birth was mentioned at page 38 here, my lord, 1/1/1965. Therefore, my lord, admittedly, my lord, accepting their, my lord, record, I ought to have been, my lord, retired after, my lord, 1/1/1965, my lord. Lordship, kindly have a look page 38. It is their affidavit in the earlier proceeding. There was no, my lord, contention for recovery. Therefore, I had withdrew this writ petition, but I have annexed this writ petition here in this writ petition for perusal of your lordship. Where's your withdrawal order? Withdrawal, my lord, I have not, yes, my lord, there should be there. It is, my lord, page 32, my lord, relevant portion, my lord. 32 relevant portion, my lord. I have heard the learned counsel was the respondent and more particular, submit the petitioner is entitled to his provisional, but there would be a recovery if the petitioner had continued to remain in service at his own instance, be that as it may, taking into consideration the fact in the instant case, this court direct the concerned respondent authority to release the provisional pension to the petitioner and not to recover alleged excess payment of salary to the petitioner till the returnable date. On the returnable date, upon the respondent file affidavit, this court further take call for the extension of the instant petition.
Page 45.
My lord.
You've not prepared your case.
My lord, there are 45 minutes.
The last petition, madam, we are directed to take instruction, madam, where from the service book of the petitioner, madam, was recovered by the respondent authority, madam. That instruction I do not have, madam. Madam, it come, madam, immediately after vacation. Let me have my instruction.
My lord, this is, my lord, this issue is already settled, my lord. I have annexed a lot of judgment also. And my lord, they are admitting, my lord.
Let them come with it. But AM Barware, the response. On request made by MS SGTL and standing council eliminate jurisdiction. Raise the matter immediately after the submission. In order to enable her to receive instructions in terms of the order dated 12/6.
Kindly any date may be.
It will come. If you fix dates after the vacation, there will be a lot of chaos in the registry. So if there's any problem, you can make a mention, we'll get it.
Immediately after vacation only.
18.
Oblige only.
My lord, the plight of the writ petitioner in this case is this, my lord. He is an associate professor in a particular college, my lord. Now, my lord, way back in 2020, the governing body has imposed a penalty of 20,000 on him, my lord. I filed a writ petition against imposition of that penalty. The impugned order of imposing penalty was stayed by this court, my lord, by the governing body. Thereafter, my lord, in 2022, he retired, my lord. After retirement, his pensionary benefits, pension, everything was put to an halt. I filed this writ petition, provisional pension was released. Now, my lord, they are not taking, the college authorities or the respondent authorities, they are not taking any initiative to release my pensionary benefit. My lord, if the issue is about 20,000, regarding which a writ petition is sub judice before this court, let them withhold 20,000 and release my other benefits, my lord. This man who has put on 60 years of service, my lord, is being treated in a manner, my lord, that my lord, nobody is concerned about the pensionary benefit. There is no order of this court that his pensionary benefit should not be released or of that nature. Simply they say the matter is before the High Court. My lord will kindly see page number 12. Page number 12, my lord will see.
Yes.
My lord will see this is the order passed by the governing body way back in 27th of November 2020, whereby, my lord, the governing body, I'm reading the third para, the governing body resolves to direct you to recover 50% of the total expenditure incurred in this matter. Total expenditure is 40,000 only. You are directed to refund 20,000 only and deposit the amount in the college office immediately. 20,000 recovery was sought on an untenable, but I am not, my lord, I am not making submissions on the merit of this letter because this is not the subject matter of the present writ. Immediately, this resolution was challenged by me at page number 13.
Yes.
Now, my lord, see what order this honorable court has passed on 15/7/2021. Para 2. The petitioner herein was the in-charge principal of Nirmal Haloi College, Patarkusi, for a given period of time, and during that period, he was custodian of his own service book as well as that of the respondent number 6, Dr. Such and Such. Later on, Dr. Such and Such became the principal of the said college, and in the circumstance, by a communication dated such and such, both the service books were deposited to the respondent number 6, and the memo through which the deposit was made also contained the endorsement of the respondent number 6. By another communication dated such and such, the respondent number 6 informed the petitioner that the original volume 4 of the service was not returned and a newly created volume book 4 was in fact returned, which resulted in the notice being issued to the petitioner, to which they replied, and ultimately resulted in a resolution of the governing body of the college. The respondent number 6 informed the petitioner by the communication dated such and such about such resolution of the governing body, of which no date is given, but states that the governing body has resolved to direct the recovery from the petitioner of an amount of 20,000. Being aggrieved, the present writ petition is instituted. As no date of the resolution of the governing body is referred in the communication, and as it is also not clear whether respondent number 6 was also a part of the proceeding of the governing body resulting in such resolution, being prima facie satisfied and also considering the balance of convenience and the irreparable loss that the petitioner may suffer, the contents of communication dated such and such directing the petitioner to refund an amount of 20,000 shall remain stayed until further order. This case is still pending. Now, the present petitioner retired, my lord, on 31/7/2022. Page number 16, my lord will see Page 16, with due respect, I would like to inform you that I will retire from the service on 31st July 2022. Thereafter, I request you to kindly prepare my pension file and submit to the concerned authorities. It is the fervent appeal to you and oblige. Now, my lord, they were not even releasing my pension. Only after, my lord, an order passed by this court in the present writ petition on 10/5/2023 that my provisional pension was released. Now, my lord, my provident fund, GPF, other pensionary benefits, my lord, all are put on hold, my lord, for this 20,000 rupees, which is sub judice before this court. Neither they are serious about the first case, my lord. They are taking time, my lord. And this case, my lord, my lord, my only prayer at this stage would be, let them keep 20% in case, my lord, assuming that the writ petition is dismissed, the earlier writ petition. What best would happen? I will have to pay 20,000 to the governing. Let them keep 20,000 and release the other funds, my lord. For 20,000, there is no point, my lord, that they will withhold my entire pensionary benefits. And there also, my lord, that 20,000, this court found it prima facie to be, my lord, merit in the writ petition, and therefore, my lord, and stay order.
Yes, who appears higher education?
He is not being able to undertake, my lord, any social projects and everything. My lord, since 2 years, this man, my lord, they are college teachers, my lord. They don't have any other source of income.
Who is the standing council higher education? Then you're junior to catch all of these standing council.
Higher education, higher education, higher education. Post of program. Post of program. Yeah, post of program number type phone.
Huh? We'll take up after some time. We'll catch all of the higher education.
After some time later.
20.
Anyway.
My lord, this petitioner, my lord, here, my lord, the provincialization power is with the council. Now they have made an act. Last occasion, my lord, Advocate General was requested to assist the court. Since then, my lord, he has not appeared. 22/2/2024. Only consideration is whether the state government has power to make rules in respect of the subject matters in the council.
Yes. Have you filed your rejoinder?
Yes, we have filed, my lord. We are showing it, my lord, on the face of the provisions of the
When did you
620.
file your rejoinder?
Rejoinder we have filed on, I think, 21/6.
Yes. Yes, Advocate General. See, it is already in order.
Yes, Lordship.
If
Requesting
no
it.
advocate general, my lord, additional advocate general may appear.
So you make alternative arrangement.
I'll accept.
Your lordship may kindly make
Fix it after vacation, Lordship. I'll.
either AG or AAG.
Okay, heard Mr. B.D. Das, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr.
J. Lotha.
J.
Lotha.
Lotha, learned counsel for the petition. Stop. On request made on behalf of the learned advocate general Assam. List the matter when?
Immediately after vacation, Lord.
Immediately after the summer vacation.
My lord, if AG is not available, AG in.
On the next reasonable date.
That may not be required, I will inform Lordships.
My lord, the last
If
three
the
occasions.
learned advocate general is unable to assist his court. Alternative arrangements may be made.
That may not be recorded. I will inform the court, Lordships. Otherwise, Lordships.
No, for whatever reason, if he's not
Whatever,
available.
I will inform.
Well, a date may be
My
given.
duty is to assist the court, Lordships. I will do it.
No, last three occasions, they have
That may
failed to
not be,
do
may
that.
here.
Make
May
sure
not
The
be
court
there.
will appear.
Yes.
I'm not making that observation that
Here 24 metal Lordships.
may have
Here
some,
24 metal Lordships.
it may have some effect.
Yes, Lordships. That should not be
My
recorded.
lord, AG.
But then we are making it very clear.
Yes,
Justice.
I'll
I'll remember this.
Yes.
order. Okay.
My lord, date may be given. Date.
Give a date.
Yeah. Immediately after vacation, Lordships.
It's an important matter, my lord.
Request made on behalf of the
You-
learned advocate general Assam. List this matter on
On 18th,
18th
Thursday.
Thursday. 18 July.
Yeah.
Yeah.
21, 22, and 23.
Wait, please, Lordship. On item number 21, my lord, I am appearing, my lord, for the petitioner.
Yes.
In this case, my lord, my grievance is this, my lord. Due to pendency of item number 23, my candidature for promotion or next higher post has not been considered. In fact, this is the pleaded stand of the SCRT in that affidavit, my lord. My lord, may I bring Lordship to the page number 46 of item number 21, WBC 2011 of 2024.
Page 46.
46.
Yes.
My lord, on earlier occasion, the same issue was arise, my lord. When I inquired the matter with the authority, then they gave me the impression that due to pendency of this writ petition, my case has not been considered. Then I filed two interlegal applications, my lord, in item number 23, one for implement and one for vacating of stay order, my lord. That matter regard to, my lord, a gradation list of statistical assistant with regard to the seniority assigned to the petitioner in item number 23. This is no way related to me, my lord. Originally, I was the statistical assistant. Thereafter, I was promoted to the next higher post. Now, there is another promotional process is initiated where I have not been considered. My lord, kindly come to the fourth paragraph, my lord, of page 46. May I read, my lord? The case of the applicant, this is me, my lord, who has sought implement as well as vacation of the interim order, is that though his name appears in the final gradation list of statistical assistant, in the meantime, he has been promoted to the post of research assistant under centrally sponsored scheme, while an order dated 24/2/2021, which was much prior to the interim order dated 30/11/2022. Sri so-and-so, the Learned Counsel submits that because of the interim order, there is an apprehension of being deprived of his service benefit in spite of the fact that his position in the final gradation list was already acted upon and therefore he has prayed for clarification in the aforesaid order. Sri so-and-so for a petitioner submits that the issue involved is a serious one, which would require determination by the court. He, however, fairly submits that he would not object to the extent that any service benefits which would accrue to the applicant by virtue of serving as a research assistant under centrally sponsored scheme may not be affected by this order. Sri so-and-so, the Learned Standing Counsel SCRT submits that necessary clarifications may be issued in the interest of justice. Under the aforesaid facts and circumstances, this court is of the opinion that instead of passing the order of implement of the applicant in the connected writ petition, interest of justice would be served if an order is passed clarifying the interim order dated 30/11/2022, which has been done in the presence of the parties. In view of the above, it is clarified that the interim order dated 30/11/2022 passed in the writ petition shall not affect the service benefits which may accrue to the applicant who is discharging his service as a research assistant under a centrally sponsored scheme. this honorable court has clarified the order, my lord, that there is no bar in getting any service benefit to me for pendency of this writ petition. But, my lord, they have filed an affidavit in this case, my lord, item number 21. My lord, kindly come to page number 53, my lord. This is the affidavit filed by the SCRT. Paragraph 15, my lord. May I read, my lord? That with regard to the statements made in paragraph 14 and 15 of writ petition, the deponent begs to state that the matter of pendency is not related to the court case being WPC number 2177 of 2021. Rather, it is related to 7626 of 2022, where the operation of the gradation list has been stayed by the honorable court on the basis of which the petitioner was promoted. Paragraph 16, that with regard to the statements made in paragraph 16 of writ petition, the deponent begs to state that the name of the petitioner was not brought under consideration in view of the pendency of court case being 7626 of 2022, wherein this honorable court has already clarified that the passing of the interim order in that case will not come into my way while granting the service benefits. And now, my lord, my case has not been considered for promotion to the next higher post, and I am going to retire in the next January, my lord. So my prayer before your lordship is to kindly issue a direction to consider my case, my lord, for promotion.
Yes,
Item 21 itu Munindra Kumar.
21 and 22, T. Chakravarti, you are referring.
22, 23, my lord, they are different, my lord, they're not connected with the. But it was tagged, my lord, in my instance, my lord, just to show that these matters have no application in my case, my lord. Because the order has already been
You are
clarified,
referring
my
for
lord.
respondent 4.
No, my lord. Item number 22, my lord.
Item number 22.
In my promotion to the post of my research assistant that has been under challenge, my lord, in this petition, my lord.
And in item number 23, my lord, on 28th of June, they have SCRT has filed an affidavit. I need to file a response to that affidavit, my lord.
Item number
Item number 23,
7626.
7626, where I have challenged the gradation list, inclusion of the petitioners in the gradation list.
You want to file a reply?
Yes, my lord.
And item 22.
22, 23, analogous, my lord.
Oh. But this has got no connection with 21.
Yes, my lord. Because of pendency of item 23, my case has not been considered for promotion, my lord. I have just shown to your lordship, my lord, that order has already been clarified. So, my lord,
1 minute, item 21.
My instruction says that because of pendency of this item 23,
Yeah.
the promotion would not be given to the.
No,
that order has already been clarified, my lord.
If you also clarified, nothing to say.
Already
That
clarified, my
already
lord.
Clarified.
Yes. Page 46, 47. It is not from the last one. And that order was passed in presence of the Standing Council SCRT. He himself submitted that the position may be clarified at page 47, first slide. Page 47. And 47, first time. So, my lord, direction may be issued to consider my case for the next higher post of assistant research officer, my lord.
Lordship will only consider my para 13 of the affidavit. Para 13 of affidavit filed by respondent number 2. যদি promotion পাওয়া facility আছে। Where is this order, compliance order?
This is not annexed.
2/6/2023. No, it is 14/6/23. Hmm? 2/6/23 is passed in, my lord. In page where is this order 14/6/2023? Page 46.
14.6, my lord, that I have not annexed. This is their case, my lord.
No, this is your.
No, 2.6 is the court order, my lord. That
This is
is
the court's order, 2/6,
2/6, yes,
the
my lord.
first die.
My lord.
Where is that 14/6/2023?
My lord, the 14.6. Not part of our, my lord, the affidavit. Yes, my lord.
But we have mentioned it, my lord, even the letter number is given. No, maybe letter number is there, we want to see the contents of that. Then my lord, I can place it tomorrow, day after tomorrow, only on that point, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
It can be otherwise considered, but
Tomorrow, day after tomorrow. It is a short issue, my lord.
I leave it alone, or immediately on reopening, I leave it alone. Okay. But tomorrow, day after, many cases are listed. Lordship. We'll have it immediately after the vacation.
It will do declare it. On the reopening on 15th, my lord.
Yes. But Mr. RM Deka.
My prayer is that this method 21 may be segregated because I need
No,
some
no,
time.
we'll keep it together before the, because we record to dispose this with petition. On 17, not on the immediately on the.
And my lord, after 28, because on the last occasion, I said, my lord, before 28, I will not be there, may not be there, my lord. After 28, any date, my lord.
But Mr. RM Deka, the council. Stop.
Actually, one thing, my lord, just pointing out, my lord, I think number 22, my lord. Here to actually this may be bifurcated from these two items, my lord. Because in this item 22, my lord, my promotion that has been under challenge, my lord. And the item number 21 is regarding their seniority, they are claiming seniority, my lord. Here to actually no way connected. If this
No, I know it is no way connected.
My lord.
But then for the disposal of this item 21, maybe I have to refer to the item.
My lord, yes, yes.
So on that day, we'll segregate.
And my lord, my promotion order, I have annexed at page 30. That was dated 24/2/2021.
Page 30.
Page 30 of my writ petition, that is item 21. And
1 minute.
yes, my lord. Page 30. This is my promotion order, my lord. To the post of research assistant. And this was issued on 24/2/2021. And now, my lord,
So this was kept in abeyance.
as per their pleading, my lord,
As per the affidavit.
14/6/2023. But
This was kept under abeyance.
no, my lord, the order dated 14/6/2023.
No, no.
Because after this order, I'm presently serving as research assistant, my lord. So this order has not been kept in abeyance. As per paragraph 13 of their affidavit, some order dated 14/6/2023. That order, my lord, they have not annexed, and this is not also part of my record, my lord. And after completing 2 years of service, my lord, now I am eligible for being promoted to the next higher post of assistant research officer. And that has not been considered due to pendency of this two writ petition.
Gogoi, see this para 13. Just read it. That the opponent begs to state that in compliance with the honorable court's order dated past or the 30/11/2022, the director SCRT Assam had to keep in abeyance the promotion of the petitioner. White so and so dated 21/3/2023. Yes, 21/3/2023. What order is this? What promotion order? As far as these two documents are concerned, mentioned in para 13, I will place both. Yeah, because see, petitioner's promotion order is 24/2/2021. All right. Here you are saying it has been kept in abeyance 21/3/2023 and held up the monthly salaries. Was your salaries held up?
That instruction I have to take, my lord, because it has not been communicated this to me, my lord.
Then after the IA or order in the IA was passed,
Yes,
that abeyance order was revoked by 4/6/2023. So my lord 21/3/23 as well as my lord 14/6/23 will have to be placed before the that's very clear. In the item number 21. You write hurt Mr. RM Dekal and a council. Mr. D. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council, SCRT is directed to furnish a copy of the order dated 21/3/2023 as well as the order dated 14/6/2023 as reflected in paragraph 13 of the affidavit in opposition
Respondent two.
filed by the respondent number 2. When do you want? Chakrabarti?
After 20th of July, any date, Lordship, as per convenience.
This is the matter on 23rd, is it okay?
23rd already, Lordship has fixed that a matter.
25th, my lord, let it be 25th.
25th will be
for all, my lord.
25th.
25th.
25th. Oh. Then in the item number 22 and 23, it will be a common order. Mr. T. Chakrabarti, learned counsel for the petitioner, is allowed how much time?
Lordship,
2 weeks.
3 weeks, man.
3 weeks time to file reply to the counter filed by the
By the SCRT in item number 23.
to the counter filed by the respondent number
Respondent, my lord,
respondent number 2
two.
in WBC number
76.
7626 of 2022. Oh. List this matters on what date was fixed?
25th.
25th.
Deeply obliged.
Deeply obliged.
55.
May I please the lordship, matter may be time, pass over the time being.
After time, no, here we also not have received any instruction. Let it come after vacation, lordship. Immediately our extension may come.
Okay, Hart MS
M. Bora.
M. Boral and counsel for the petition on request made by SMT District. Then it standing counsel,
It's elementary, no?
elementary
It's
education department, list the matter immediately after the summer vacation.
Okay.
Five minutes.
মানুহ নাই দিছে না কোনটো অৰ্ডাৰ নিমালি বিট স্যালারি প্রপোজাল দিছে 9 লাখ টাকা ইয়াত আছে মই ফিল্টার কৰি 9 লাখ টাকা প্রপোজাল পঠাই দিও অলরেডি আইছে এটো প্রপোজাল ধরে পাই যাব ন লাখ 56,470 টাকা না এটা প্রপোজাল পাইছে এই আপনি প্রপোজাল পর্যন্ত 9 লাখ টাকা এই পার্টিকুলার টাইম পিরিয়ড না রেগুলেশন তো রেগুলেশন তো পার্টিকুলার এই প্রপোজাল তো রেগুলার আবার কইতে নহলে সেলি কেনেকে পাবো রেগুলেশন নকৰে সেলি নাপাব নহয় প্ৰপোজালে নাহিব এই পইচাটো প্ৰপোজালটো আহিছে আহি পেলাই প্ৰপোজালটো এতিয়া আপোনাৰ এয়া কৈ যাব সেক্ৰেটাৰী ফাইনেন্সত যাব এতিয়া
সহজে রিলিজ করা তো নাই যাও
হয়তো সময় ফাইনেন্সৰ অলপ
Here the petitioner's lawsuit, both the petitioners were accommodated the tutors in Dhamali district lawsuits. They were already accommodated the tutors. Perhaps that's why they are not.
Give them one more chance.
Yes.
None appears for the list of accused.
29.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, as per the last order, where the respondent has submitted that they are complying with the order as passed by, as given the direction by this honorable court, your lordship, where the lordship, the petitioner says they have not been communicated with this, with the order, and they have not get any single benefit yet, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, some more time required, Lordship. Meta may pick after vacation, Lordship, in Indian, almost.
Lordship, since this is a
process is going on.
2019 matter,
I
as
talked to K. Gogoi, Lordship. Gogoi is
as per the
No, no.
last,
Whether you have complied.
Not on.
no communication have been made, your lordship.
Till now, process is going on, Lordship. After vacation, is the matter will, in the meantime, will comply, Lordship. Place the order, Lordship.
Lordship may kindly
I-
peruse the
go-
last order.
That's true, Lordship. That's true. That's true. All case, Lordship. More time required, Lordship. That's the thing, Lordship.
Lordship, and some
Comply,
of
that's
the
all.
petitioners have already been retired,
true.
your lordship, and
That's
some
true.
are.
That's true.
Okay. But MS,
M zone 1, I'll write it down.
you write it down. Okay. Learn the counsel for the petition. On request made on behalf of Mr. K. Gogoi, learn the
Lordship.
counsel for the response. List the matter again on when? I'm giving a date.
After the reopening, Lordship.
Lordship, immediately after the reopening of
17th.
17th.
17th July. To enable him to produce the compliance report.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged, your lordship.
30.
My lord.
Have you filed your amended cost title?
We have filed, my lord, and also.
When did you file it?
My lord is 24/4, my lord.
Hmm?
24/4. It is showing in the office report, my lord. ED card is not received, my lord.
Where is the amended cost title?
My lord, in the office note,
That I've seen, but I can't find your amended cost title. Who are the respond?
My lord.
You have a copy of the amended cost title?
Hmm?
I don't have a copy, my lord, but good afternoon.
Three and four. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you appealing?
For the content of yes, sir. I think the service is yet to be completed. I'm for the earlier, not for the new one.
Earlier one is who?
Terms of care lotting is retired long back.
And Narayan Konwar?
9 is the present secretary.
And the Mamta Hojai?
Mota is the present director.
When was service done?
My lord, 14/3 we took the steps.
14/3/2023.
My lord, 24, my lord.
2024.
My lord. It's not been received, my lord. AD card has not been received. It's unserved, my lord.
Maybe you should take one more chance.
Yes, I will take, my lord. My date may be fixed, my lord.
I cannot fix a date. By way, we'll have to go by registered post AD.
My lord, my lord. I will take a step again.
Mr.
AW Aman.
AW Amar.
Aman.
Aman.
My lord.
Counsel for petition. Request for taking first steps for service of notice on the respondents 3 and 4.
My lord.
By registered post AD. Praise Allah. Petitioner shall take steps for service of notice on the respondents 3 and 4 by registered post AD within a period of 1 week.
My lord, my lord.
List the matter again after 4 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
31.
Yes.
Nice, joining. My lord, here the service of the petitioner was regularized lawsuits and a proposal for an amount of 9,56,470 has already been received from the district lawsuit. Now it is under examination before the director. After lawsuit proper verification, it will be sent to the government for onward submission to the finance department.
My lord, I have seen that they have complied half of the order. She is regularized up to 2010, but she retires in 2022.
That was the submission last occasion by my
lord,
Advocate General, and it was accepted by the Honorable Court. That letter part will be taken care of later on.
No, my lord, kindly
For the work she has done, that has been regularized.
kindly see my lord, page number 22 of the judgment. Paragraph 3.
1 minute.
Paragraph 22, paragraph 3, lordship. That as regards the contentions of the department, Learned Counsel for petitioner submits that the petitioner has been attending classes in Nolbari Girls High School continuously for the month of December 2011, though for some time the petitioner was not allowed to sign the attendance register. And whenever the petitioner went to attend the classes of the school authority did not allow her to sign in the attendance register on the ground of that her service had not been regularized and no order has been passed issued by the higher authorities. In other words, the petitioner's grievance is that the petitioner has not been allowed to sign the attendance register. Though the authorities have disputed the stand of the petitioner, it is also noted that this is not for the first time. The petitioner has taken this plea. In fact, the plea was taken on earlier occasion. Also, while the petitioner have approached the court by filing WPC number auto 5, and it was specifically of the petitioner. Therein also that the petitioner has not been allowed to sign the attendance register.
the aforesaid order that so. AR Sigda, Marat below, Learned Council of Product Business submits that pursuant to the order passed by this court, Missioner has been allowed to sign in the school, namely Kotara High School. However, he submits that in spite of such joining, the petitioner has not been allowed to sign the attendance register. Mr. Sigda Learned Council also submits that appropriate direction may be issued to release the salary of the petitioner. Mr. Thomas, Learned Standing Council, Education Department submits that since the petitioner has been allowed to join in the school, the matter has become infectious. However, he fairly submits the petitioner shall be allowed to sign the attendance register, and she is also entitled to receive admissible parent allowances. In view of this above, this is since disposed of by providing that the petitioner be allowed to sign in the attendance register and take her classes, and for that matter, to perform her normal duty, and she should also be paid her salary. So, Lordship, they are taking the plea now that from 2010 I am not attending classes.
Come to para 6, page 24.
Yes, my lord. This is the order of the Honorable. Accordingly, the court is of the view that it will be appropriate that the exercise for regulation, adjustment of the petitioner service already initiated in the year 2009 in terms of the communication that will show he conducted an appropriate decision be taken as regards the regulation of the service of the petitioner as a graduate teacher concerning a long service rendered by her since 1988. It will be unfair on the part of the state authorities at this period of time to deny regulation adjustment of the petitioner service on the ground of lack of proper appointment at the initial stage. If the petitioner had been allowed to work for such a long period since 1988, which is also borne by records, the authorities can sympathetically consider the case of the petitioner and pass appropriate order for regulation adjustment of her service against a regular vacancy in terms of the process already initiated.
Where is the regularization order?
Lordships, I'm very sorry, Lordship. I have given the mail. The mail has not yet gone, Lordships. It has already been regularized, Lordships, because for the period where we have found she was working, and that was the submission made by the learned advocate in the presence of my senior friend, in the presence of the secretary school department. On that day, Lordship, Honorable Court said that you take this one. That was the subsequent. Now he is submitting that he won everything.
No, madam, that
was not a submission on that day, Lordship.
No, madam, how can I say I have to submit as per records? They are now.
And that's why we have paid.
They have on that day. They have on that day.
If they have any grievance, they can come before.
Grievance have been already put has passed the order long back in.
Honorable Court has expressed that you take this one, Lordship. Letter will be decided, taken care of later on.
What the order that the court has passed that I should
Lordship, on faith, Lordship, some submission has been made, we used to make, Lordship.
I am legally entitled till by retirement. 10 years salary if they stop.
We have found that she was working for this period only, and that's why we have given this proposal, Lordship.
Where's the regularization order?
Lordship, may kindly take it after some time. I will give Lordship.
Okay,
I have
let us
already
wait.
sent it with mail. The mail has not yet gone.
Wait for some time.
My lord.
Yes.
Even here, my lord, the AD card has not been received. We'll take a step, my lord.
Here also.
My lord, same problem.
The respond number 7.
My lord. Respondent 7, my lord.
You want to take first step?
I will take first step.
Mr. A.W. Aman.
My lord.
General Counsel for Petitioner, praise for taking first steps for service of notice and to respond number 7. Praise the Lord. Petitioner shall take first steps for service of notice and to respond number 7 by registered court within a period of 1 week.
My lord.
List the matter again after.
Grateful, my lord.
33, 34.
My lord, in this matter, we are yet to receive the instructions, your lordship.
Which matter?
My lord, the other day hearing was concluded, my lord. The other day, this matter hearing was concluded. Only on a speak lordship wanted to peruse the judgment of Mizaram Kumar.
Yes.
Kindly accommodate for today, your lordship, only for today, your lordship.
There is nothing to add, my lord. There is nothing to add. Last occasion, lordship had the matter.
The day after tomorrow, your lordship.
After tomorrow, many questions are listed. Then we'll have it on the reopening day, 15th.
Yes, your lordship.
Make sure there's no adjournment on that day.
Yes, your lordship.
That matter was heard completely, my lord, on the other day.
I know. But Mr. IS Cycle and the council for the petition. On request made by MS.
H. Terangpi, your lordship.
S. Tirangvi, Leonard, Standing Council.
Secondary education, your lordship.
Secondary Education reached the matter on 15th of July. No adjournment on that day.
Yes, your lordship.
35.
15th of July, my lord. 16, my lord.
You only 16th.
16, my lord. Hearing day, it will be better, my lord.
Make it 16th. 16th, Tirangvi.
Obliged, my lord.
35.
May please, Your Worship. As per the office note dated 18/6/2024, before the Labazima Code, the services has been completed. And in the last occasion,
Wait. 18/6.
18/6/2024.
Have you filed your affidavit?
Yes, my lord. We served the copy before the respondent number 8, but he refused to accept the receipt the notice, my lord. Thereafter, we have filed this additional affidavit where we have mentioned that the one witness is there.
Okay, heard Mr.
A Boro, my lord.
A. Boro, Leonard Counsel for the petition. Peruse the proceedings of the Lavazima Court dated 18/6/2022. Stop. This court has also constituted the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner, showing wherein it is stated that the petitioner had tried to serve notice on the respondent number 8 by justice service as permitted by this court on 26/4/2024. Stop. However, the respondent number 8 refused to accept the notice in the presence of a witness. Stop. Considering the proceedings of the Lavazima Court, as well as the additional affidavit filed by the petition, the notice on respondent number 8 shall be deemed to be complete. Chutia, have you filed your affidavit?
It took last time 2 weeks time to file affidavit. The matter is very urgent, my lord, here. Since 2023, June 23, we have not received the salary. As well as neither they have allowed me.
You
to
are not
join.
joining to your post.
My lord, they are not joining. They are not allowing me to join, my lord.
That will see what the.
My lord, we have already, for that reason, my lord,
As per the
So called
order,
notice has also been issued, my lord.
Show cause
for
also is
unauthorized
issued.
action filed.
after submission or after direction of this 11/10/2023, they have issued the show cause notice, my lord. Before that, I have submitted representation before the authority. They are not considering my prayer, my lord.
MSS Chutial and its Standing Council Elementary Education. Place for
My lord, 2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks time to file.
That will be fixed, my lord.
List the matter after the summer vacation. In the admission column.
Oh, my lord, kindly direct the respondent number 8 to allow me to join in my service, my lord. I am
No,
ready
after
to join, my
issuing the
lord.
That
show
will
cause
see,
notice,
let the affidavit.
My lord, that will be fixed, my lord. Kindly,
I'm not fixing that. After the vacation, there will be a lot of problems for the user.
36.
oblige.
My lord, the impugn order, my lord, at page 23,
Why is it coming for orders?
wrongly listed for, is it ought to be listed
Are you
for
sure?
admission.
Are they, is there a private respondent?
Private has already noticed served thrice, my lord, thrice. 3 times to have served the notice, reports are there already.
Where the
Last two
office
occasions,
note?
2, 3 occasions, the lordship also waited for the private respondent. I'm the senior most, my lord, qualified person, and the private respondent, he is not having the B.Ed degree, and he has the impugn order at page number 23, my lord. Type copy 23 and the 24 is the
Okay, let us give this. We'll have notice on respond number 4 to be deemed,
yes.
and we'll list it in the admission column.
Your lordship may dispose it of.
1 minute. But Mr. B. Prakash, let me also. Peruse the proceedings of the laws in a court dated 12/6/22. Notice on respond number 4 shall be deemed to be complete. None appears for the respondent. In the interest of justice, is the matter up to the sum of the mission. In the admission column.
A date, my lord.
It will come. After vacation, if I fix dates, there will be a lot of chaos.
But
You can make your mention for listing. If it does not come up.
37.
This review petition.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, this is a review petition, lordship. Kindly refer to office note dated 2/4/24, lordship, which reflects the service has been completed. There was an interim passed earlier dated on 2/24, 2/2/24, lordship.
1 minute.
Kindly continue.
Is a review against which order?
Dated 2/2/24.
No, review against which order?
Actually, contracting council is on legs on another account, lordship.
Okay, heard, Mr.
A Huda.
A. Huta, the counsel for the petition. Peruse the proceedings of the Lavazan Court dated 2/4/20. The notice on respondents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 11 shall be deemed to be complete. Stop. List the matter after the summer vacation in the review will come in what? Admission? Huh? Review will come in admission or in the order stage? Huh? After the summer vacation. Okay.
Highly obliged.
27.
Item.
Lordship, me faces a contempt application, my lord. Violation of Honorable Court's order dated, my lord, 19/5/2017, wherein this Honorable Court directed the respondent authorities to pay the area salaries, my lord. Subsequently, they have
One
Lordship-
minute, 1 minute. Where's
Mine.
the order?
lordship at page 14 to 19, my lord.
Page 14 to
19, my lord. Relevant portion, my lord, your lordship will find it
18.
18. Fourth, last line, my lord. Area salary of the petitioners from the month of March 2012. It should be granted, my lord, directed to release. And by granting annual retention of the supernumerary post within a period of 4 months and a current salary within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order.
Yeah.
Lordship, subsequently, they have accommodated us, my lord, to the post of teachers since we fulfill all the requirements. But your lordship, the area salary has not been released. Lordship, may I pray because they have in their compliance report, which is submitted to Lordship, they might have submitted before the Honorable Court also.
Where is that come from?
This-
What date?
Lordship, it's of date is not there.
It is 18/1/2024.
Date in item. Yes, 18/1/24, serial number 3. It's a communication issued by Joint Secretary to the Government of Assam, Department of School Education. Whether they have submitted before his honorable court, I'm not sure about it. But they have served copy on me, madam.
This I have the another one. I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Mudunda Lotik. Here, Lotik, in paragraph document can be.
Let us have a look at it.
In the appointment letter, Lotik, there's a condition that they can claim the salary prospectively, Lotik.
18/1/20.
Yes.
4, my lord. That was overwritten, like it's not clear. Date is not clear, my lord.
It's here.
Yes.
Yeah.
So serial number 3, your lordship. The names of Biswajit Gogoi and 9 others, that the present petitioners are found in the screening committee list under Sibsagar district. Has your lordship found it, my lord? And the petitioners being trained were accommodated under the teacher category. The appointment letters were issued with a condition that the accommodated teacher will get the prospective effect from 1/11/2020 only, and she cannot claim any benefit whatsoever in respect of past services rendered by her prior to 1/11/2020. Simply a sample copy of the appointment endorsed. Lordship, I have taken instruction from my client. They have accepted his appointment on protest, my lord. They have not relinquished their area salary. And as on date, the order of this honorable court still prevails, your lordship, because the clear order of this honorable court, my lord, to pay the arrear as well as current salary. They have not done, my lord. And so we have filed this contempt application.
And Lordship, we have fulfilled all the criterias. We have after following the process of law, we have been appointed, we have undergone training, and this is not a gratuitous service, Lordship. Under section 70 of the Lordship Indian Contract Act, my lord, may I read it once? Obligation, my lord.
This is not compliance.
Lordship, may I suggest one thing? Let them place this instruction on record by way of affidavit so that we can have the opportunity to rebut, my lord.
Mr. Majumdar is not there, is it?
He has here, Lordship, he has gone to another court, he has on legs in.
We take off after some time.
After some time.
It's 32 meter, 31 to. Interpolation.
Oh. 46 of supplementary list ordered.
My lord, in this matter, I am appearing for respondent number 3 and 4, my lord. And we have filed our affidavit in opposition.
When?
My lord, on 13/6/2024.
Okay. Why is it coming for orders? There are some private parties.
Yes. Yes, my lord, private party. Performer respondent 5, my lord. You can buy them.
He makes a mention, yes.
Lordship, contractual counsel is on another. Can you take up the matter after some time?
47.
Lordship, 47 is same counsel.
Also,
43 of daily list hearing.
May I please your lordship? The English counsel, Mrs. N. Soikia, is busy in another court. So this item may kindly be taken up at 2 o'clock.
My lord, after vacation, Lordship, today or Lordship? If tentative matters, Lordship, it will immediately on a hearing date after vacation, Lordship may kindly fix it. Twenty-fifth of July is a hearing date, Lordship.
Counter has come.
I think my colleague has appeared, I have to check it.
No counter file.
Yes, 23 matter, then Lordship will have to file a counter.
Okay. Third MS.
R. Bormon.
R.
Bormon.
Burman Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of MSN Psyche Learned Counsel for the petition. Stop. You appearing?
Actually, my colleague appeared. Anyway, Lordship, I can record my name.
On request made on behalf of MSB Das, then the standing council, Secretary Education Department. List the matter after the summer vacation
Yes, sir.
to enable her to file contract.
Yes, sir. Item 8. Lordship,
No one is here.
Lordship, the contempt case where Mr. Arbodero was supposed to appear. Lordship, can you fix it after vacation? I will request Mr. Arbodero to file affidavit. That may be
Lordship,
recorded
the
with her
complaint
consent.
report may be placed on record by way of affidavit.
Third MS B Buyan. No, senior counsel. Assisted by MS.
B Bora.
BB Bora, then the counsel for the. Mr. R Majumdar,
Yes.
then the counsel for the respondents.
May be directed to file the affidavit.
Is directed to bring the communication dated 18/1/2024 on record by way of filing an affidavit.
Can it be recorded? We may have the opportunity to rebut, my no?
That is always there.
On that you have the list of
Date after vacation.
summer vacation.
Lordship, in item number 18, Lordship. Lordship, I'll be receiving instruction by today evening. So can it come immediately after vacation, Lordship?
No,
This
Lord,
was
it may
Yes,
come tomorrow. It
because-
may come up tomorrow, Lord.
Lordship, in that case,
My
can it come
senior is
on-
on legs.
can it come on, Lordship, Thursday then? On Thursday, if there is an urgency on the part of the petition.
My senior is on legs.
Because
so I
again,
think
I'll
so.
take time to file my affidavit, Lordship. That's why I said for after vacation.
then let us take up at 2 o'clock.
Lordship, today, Lordship, I have some difficulty, Lordship. That's why, Lordship, I'm.
Then let him file the affidavit. We'll list it after the
Yes, and the college is.
third MS.
AK Choppy on behalf of
AK
MSP.
Choppy, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. M. Biswas, Learned Counsel for the petition.
Lordship, immediately after vacation, Lord.
Yes, Mr. D. Obamania,
Correspondence 1 and 2.
Standing Council Higher Education, appearing for respondents 1 and 2.
I'm for 6.
Praise for 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Praise allowed. Stop. Mr. S.K. Mehdi, Learned Counsel, Standing Council, Accountant General, appears for respond number
6.
6. List on, when do you want?
Lordship, immediately after vacation, Lord.
17,
19th.
19. Highly obliged.
Lordship, item 46 and 47, kindly fix another order, Lordship.
Why? You have not taken steps. Give me that item for this.
এটা মাটি দিলে মাত্র কি হোক মিনালা মাটি দিয়ে ভয় করতে
Third, Mr.
Yehuda.
A Hotel Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. B.R. Sharma,
Yes, yes.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. The petition is directed to take steps in terms of the order dated 24/6/2024 of the Lavazima Court within a period of 1 week. Please, after 4 weeks. Then in item,
I think 31 is there.
1 minute, item
47.
47. Item 47 also same.
Yes.
Third, Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of so-and-so. Petitioner is directed to take steps in terms of the order dated 24/6/2024 passed by the Lavazima Court within a period of 1 week from today. List of the 4 weeks.
Hello, plus.
30.
31 to know.
31.
The regulation order lost in the print copy lost in mechanically peruse.
Why regularization with effect from 12/12/2005?
For that period, she was found to be working. And that was accepted. That was argued by my learned advocate general. It was accepted by the court on that day. And my learned senior friend was also there. That for the work, for the period where we found she was working, we'll pay for that. That was a specific argument on that day. And it was accepted. And that's a proposal of 9 lakhs something has already been given. And it is under process in the directorate. They'll get it lost. 9,56,470. We have already received for the directorate. It is under process. It will send to the government immediately lost it. And then it will send to the finance for approval. Thereafter, I think after vacation lost it, after 4 weeks. Let it come after vacation lost it. I'll give the after the instruction.
You may have to challenge this order.
Yes, that is also lost. It is another thing lost it.
You may have to. But Mr. R.C. Saikya, learned counsel for the petition. Mr. S.M.T. Chishti, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the.
Yes, lost it. I am assisting. Actually, the question was appearing. I am assisting the court lost it for the department lost mechanically.
Appearing on behalf of the respondent.
Yes.
Respondent submits. That by order dated 18/6/2024. The service of the petitioner has been regularized with effect from 12/12/2005 to 31/12/2010. Stop. He also submits that the error salary in respect of the petitioner amounting to rupees 9,56,470 for the period 1/3/2007 to 31/12/2010. That the proposal for error salary has been received in the office of the Director, Secondary Education, Assam, and is presently under verification. And same would be submitted to the government for sanction within a short period of time. Stop it. He therefore prays for some time to enable him to receive appropriate instructions in the matter. Stop. Praise allowed, list after the
4 weeks notice.
summer vacation.
Yes. Item 4 lost it. Item 4 lost it. I directed my colleague to get an instruction. That instruction has not come lost it. Let it come on Friday lost it. She will inform the council for the petition on lost it. Only one item left lost it. Friday she will get that lost it. I will inform Mr. M. Sharma. He's I will get it.
M. Sharma,
I will inform lost it. He said me lost it. We used to.
you will inform him. Otherwise, bring him here. We have got 10 minutes.
More track with it.
My lord, with regard to item number 18, I am told that my lord, as far as they filing an affidavit in opposition, my lord, in more than 1 year, my lord, they are not taking it seriously. My lord, let them file affidavit in opposition. An observation from this court, my lord, that pendency will not be a bar to release the pensionary benefit, save and accept rupees 20,000. If save and accept rupees 20,000, rest they can release.
List on so and so, huh?
And a fixed date may be given, my lord.
Pendency of this petition shall not be a bar on the part of the respondents to release the pensionary benefits,
Including GPF and Provident Fund, my lord.
including the GPF and Provident Fund. Save and accept an amount of rupees
20,000.
20,000. Okay.
I'm requesting.
Oh.
He's
Where's-
in the bar.
Hmm?
He's in the bar
Bar.
or at home.
Huh? Yes.
Item 46 and 47.
I passed orders. You have to take steps in terms of the direction of the Lawazima court
My lord,
within 1 week.
my lord. Highly obliged, man.
Yes, what do you want?
Friday or immediately after vacation matter.
It's your choice.
Immediately after vacation matter.
Okay.
That may be fixed, my lord.
But Mr. M. Shaman and the counsel for the petition.
Okay.
This is a simple instruction.
Yes, your
supposed to
lordship.
take.
Simple instruction.
On request made by MSc S. Tutel and the standing council, elementary education department. You want to file affidavit or you want to file
Well, only instruction matter. Instruction.
release the matter on 19 July
Right.
Highly.
to enable her to receive instructions.
Highly.
Obliged.
Finish all matters. Whole vote is complete.